5 things I follow for good sleep. A good night's sleep is very important for keeping your focus on everything. In this video, I'm going to share with you the whole routine, specifically the 5 things that I do every single night. The first thing that I do is very important. Let's assume that I want to sleep at 10 p.m. When it gets to 9 p.m., I shut off my laptop or phone to prevent the release of blue light in the room. This light causes your body to release less melatonin, which is a hormone created by your brain to regulate the sleep-wake-up cycle of your body. Secondly, I will turn off all harsh lights in my room and turn on a soft night lamp. The soft light will help the brain to release more melatonin too. After that, I will spend 5 minutes reflecting on my day and things I could have done better. I do this because I find that helps me be more productive the following day. Next, I don't want to think about anything productive. I just want my brain to relax, so I just read a storybook or listen to soft music or do meditation. Finally, I will turn off all light and just close my eyes and try to fall asleep. I'm sure you will get better sleep if you follow the above. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.